Okay, who knows what this is? Good morning, it's day 18. I was wondering if this GoPro would even turn on. It's 24 degrees out, and check this out. I haven't seen this in a while. I had some condensation on my quilt. It seemed to have stopped recording right away. Non-enduro batteries just can't last in this cold. Wow, I'm amazed how quickly the non-enduro batteries die. It's only 24 degrees and it was just on for like 5 seconds and die, 5 seconds and die. But the enduros last. So GoPro, I'm glad you released those just before I left. Otherwise, I would not be able to record in the mornings. I guess I could sleep with the camera, but I don't like doing that. But anyway, yeah, look at all the ice on the quilt. Fortunately, it's been cold enough that while I was fiddling with the battery, none of it melted. But I'll be at the lodge today. I'm going to lay it out and let it thaw and dry out. So that's good. And then, so today we only have like 5 miles. So I've been sleeping in. It's 8 o'clock. 5 miles only going to take 2.5 hours tops. And I'll get there like 10:30, 11. That's still pretty early to check in. I guess it's okay. 11 is okay. I could check in and get lunch and whatnot. But I'll just go straight to there's a place called the Pit Stop. They have some resupply. I heard it's really expensive. But I just need 2 days of food. I have plenty of bars because I haven't been eating lunches really. So I just need a couple of dinners and then that's it really. A couple of dinners and maybe some extra meat things. And I have butter. I just have to get through 2 nights and then I'll be at Gatlinburg on the 3rd day. So at least that's the plan. I'm hoping to get to Newfound Gap on Thursday, but it's supposed to be raining. But if it's like that, are there going to be anybody there to hitchhike with? I don't know. I hope there's still a lot of traffic there so I can get a ride into town. Otherwise, I don't know if there's cell service there. I don't know. I might have to walk into town. That'd be miserable. All right, let's get packed up and we'll get on the trail here. Well, cabin area, it's been fun. Yeah, there's garbage here. But the AT is right next to the cabin and we just go up. Got about 1,000-foot climb today. Not too bad, over 5 miles. Easy peasy. I just hope it's not windy up there because it is so cold right now. I'm curious what the temperature is now that I got out of my tent. Whew. All right, let's get going and check out Fontana Lake today. Exciting. This is a first. Do you see it? It's a turtle shell. It's bleached white. I wonder like where the person found this turtle shell. Like around here? We're just in the middle of the hills. No bodies of water. That's a nice shell. I love how their structure. They have like the little parts in the middle and then they have the perimeter plates. Turtle shells are so cool. Let's see what's underneath it. It looks like there's something under there. Nothing. Yeah, look at that. Turtle shell. We just crested the top of a climb and look at that. Fontana Lake down below. How well can you see it on the GoPro? But oh yeah, we are high above it and we're gonna go to the corner about down there somewhere. And then we're gonna skirt the left side and go up. Crazy! We're here. Back to Fontana. Never had this happen to me before. A stick got stuck in my shoelace. I was dragging that thing around for like 10 yards. So as we walk along this ridge, we get constant view of the lake. I again realize that people that start in spring will have no views of the lake. But we get constant obscured views, but views nevertheless. Okay, who knows what this is? This is quite easy to walk right by. I almost walked right by it because it's just light brown, green. Easy to walk by. But what is going on here? What the? There's honey hives back there. Weirdness. I think we're supposed to give him a high five, so high five, dude. Oh, sorry, dude. Random. Random. I keep kneeling down for pictures and videos. I think I'm gonna wear holes in my pants before the end of this through hike. I don't know, maybe it'll get warm enough I'll stop wearing long pants, but that is weird. Anybody else see that before? Was that here last year? I don't remember seeing it. This is our first glimpse, folks. This is the Fontana Dam. I don't know if you know, but the AT actually walks right over the entire length of the dam, comes out the other side, and then goes up into the Smokies. But to the right of the dam is Santana Lake, and we'll be heading just before the dam by a little bit, and then we're going to the town of Fontana. But wow, this is it, folks. Another landmark, basically. This ice has such a interesting texture. It's like feathered. Oh, fingers are wet. This whole rock side is just frozen solid. It has the water running underneath the ice. Slippery. Pretty cold out. It has the moss growing above it. It's beautiful. And a trail. Here it is, folks. I think we're coming up on a road. It's not even a parking lot or anything. It's just like the trail just goes into the road. Am I under? Yeah, I'm under. It just goes into the road. Oh, I see. It crosses the road and it goes down there. Okay. We have to go to the marina, I guess, and make a call for a shuttle to get into Fontana Village. So we'll do that. I am starved. I can't wait to eat. I did eat breakfast before I left, but that was a couple hours ago. Sit and relax with snacks, food, and cold beer at the marina store. We have to go there anyway to call, and there's the white blaze. Here we are at the base. I believe that is the AT route. If you were going to continue on to the AT, I think. Well, we're going to the marina, which is, I don't know where. I'm gonna have to check my phone before I pull out the camera and blabber like an idiot. All right, I figured it out. The AT actually goes over there and goes around this bay. And down here is the marina, so that's where I'm gonna go right now. It looks quite impressive, like huge structures floating on this lake. I do like walking on piers, so let's check this out. I guess that's the Fontana Marina. And here's the pier. All right, let's go check it out. Let's hope it's open so I can call and get my shuttle. Right now it looks like the lake's really low, but I heard that they usually keep it low in case there's like a big water event that can actually absorb the capacity, and it goes up and down quite a bit. But checking the walls here, like all this could be underwater, and this whole structure just floats up. This whole walkway I'm on floats, and you can still walk out. In fact, it's a long walk in the water if all this floated, but it all floats. It's pretty cool. I love engineering like that. It's so practical. Look at all that walkway that could be floating, and all this boat dock that would be submerged as well. And here we go. I guess there was a phone up there. I didn't have to come all the way down to the marina. That explains why in nobody's YouTube videos people come down all the way this far. Yeah. So, but I guess the shuttle comes at noon up at the top of the hill here. So I have 5 minutes. I'm gonna run up there at the little sign up there at the top of the hill. So silly me. There's that signpost, and if you walk down this walkway, there's a information and shuttle service building, and there's a sign right here. Shuttle stops here 9, 11, 10. The person working at the marina told me that they'll be here at noon, so maybe they change their hours. Why I'm concerned about this, I was going to resupply at the pit stop, but it says Monday, Tuesday closed, and today is Monday. On gut hooks, I thought based on the hours that it would be changed, and that is updated as of 1:15. I hope they're open. Otherwise, I'll come back here to the marina and resupply. They had some things at least, but you know. So this gray box here, that is the phone to call for the shuttle. I'm at the lodge. The check-in unfortunately doesn't open until 4, so I'm just gonna hang out. But they do have a bistro here, and they do have a burger, half-pound burger. So I ordered that, and then I will just sit in the lounge and work on videos for 3 hours. I think it works out well for me. But I got a hot coffee here. My fingers are so cold. See, I'm gonna enjoy this. This is what my GoPro looks like now. The foam thing is the wind slayer I told you about, and I found wind was getting to the top, so I used this elastic that I had, wrapped it around to keep the foam pressed down so the wind doesn't squeeze in the top here and make noise. But it looks pretty, you know, dumb, but gets the job done. And then that thing with the big nylon string on it also does not look the most professional, but gets the job done. Hello there from my room at Fontana Lodge, I guess. But they let me in an hour early. I asked them if I could check in early, and they checked, and I guess the assigned room was clean and ready. So I got in, so I'm gonna go take a shower now. And bad news is the pit stop where I was gonna resupply is closed Monday and Tuesday. Today's Monday. So I'm just gonna resupply at the lodge little store there. It seems like they have everything you would want. I'm sure the prices are gonna be crazy, but I'm planning on only 2 nights into the Smokies and then get to Gatlinburg the next day. So I don't need too much. So, but unfortunately also pit stop is where they sell dish or a laundry soap, and there's a laundromat here. They don't sell any soap. So I'm not gonna do any laundry, so it actually saves me a bunch of time, so I don't have to go do that. I'm just gonna clean my socks in the sink, and the rest of it, I think I could wait a few more days for laundry. It's not too bad, and I haven't been sweating that much. I guess my shirt a little, but it's mostly the socks I wanna wash, but oh well, I get more time back. So let's shower up and warm up. I'm still kind of cold. Like I have slight shivers going. That burger was delicious though. It was only, I think it came to $16 with tax and everything. And it was a huge burger. Like I couldn't open my mouth big enough to bite it. On the PCT, I used to wish, like, if I had any wish, I'm sure most thru hikers would wish they can go faster or they had stronger legs. I just wish I had a bigger mouth so I could put more food in there. And I wish I had a bigger mouth today, but it all worked out. And I finished it all up. Still quite full, and I'll show you the store when I go back up there after I shower, because I'm gonna have to resupply there and then come back down, and that could be the end of my day. We'll see. Here's my room. I think it came to $85 altogether with tax and everything. There's a fridge. Look at that TV. Oh, when was the last time you saw something like that? All my gear, and the bathroom's quite big. Not bad. Not bad at all. Look at all the bars in the tub. They even have a little thing, seat or caddy. That's it for tonight, folks. I just worked. One video took way longer than I thought it was gonna, so I didn't do as much as I'd hoped, but what are you gonna do? Tomorrow morning, I guess they have breakfast here at the lodge at 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna go over there, and then the shuttle comes by at 9, so they'll drop me off a little after 9, 9:15. And I actually have a big day. It's gonna be 16 miles and about 5,000 feet of gain. The climb from Fontana into the Smokies is pretty rough. There's a lookout tower, which is like a little side trail. I'm thinking about not doing it. It's a long day. I think I'm going to get to a shelter. I forget the name, but I think I'm going to get there pretty late. And I might just stay at the shelter because I have another long day the following day. Because I'm trying to push to get to Gatlinburg by Thursday. Because it's supposed to rain Thursday. So if it rains during the day while I'm hiking and I get into Gatlinburg, it's not so bad. I just don't want to have to get rained on. And it's supposed to be freezing rain Friday or ice. Not sure yet. But next few days will be tough. Talk to y'all later. You have a good night. And yeah, see what happens tomorrow.